Hello, how's everybody doing? Just want to show you this really cool VFW. It's a little one. It's out in the middle of, it's like New Smyrna beach area. Right on the edge of Daytona, South Daytona. But yeah, they got this really cool helicopter. Check it out. Wow. Look at that. He's serious. He's got teeth. He's like, rear, 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 rear. Look at that cool helicopter. Don't know what that is either. Other than it's some kind of helicopter. I'm sure somebody will set me straight and let me know what kind of a beast that is. But look at that thing. Wow. Looks like it could do some serious damage. Got the guns right under his teeth. Alright, pretty cool, man. Alright, just thought I'd share that with you. Have a good day.